I spend an entire hour in the barbershop watching YouTuber videos. And I want to say something extremely important. Almost all YouTubers that I watch, they have no clue what is going on in the crypto market. Now look, everybody is reacting on the news. Everybody is talking how Bitcoin was going from 55K to 110K because we elected Trump. Everybody was talking why we are actually retracing back because of Trump tariffs. But now nobody has a clue. Nobody can explain why Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is actually tumbling. The only reason why people talk bad about crypto is because they hear the word recession. When they hear the word recession, they say, hey, we're in recession, most probably it's a bear market. That's it. Now, the reality is that most people are wrong. And actually, everything what I just said, it's totally incorrect. Why? Because the market moves in cycles, and if you understand cycles, you will be able to become a very profitable investor. I follow cycles, and I'm not afraid of this current downturn because I know that within a couple of weeks, the whole crypto market will start pumping up. And I will be positioned well, and I will be investing my money into the crypto market right now in the next few weeks. And if you don't believe me, I want to jump in a chart, and I want to show you exactly what is going on in the chart. So let me just jump and not bore you with any boring indicators, but presenting just one cycle indicator that explains everything. Look, at the bottom of the chart right here, you can see this wonderful blue line. All right, let me just delete what I just did, okay? You'll see this wonderful blue line. Now, it shows the Bitcoin cycle, and it shows how Bitcoin moves in cycles. So look, we basically had a very positive period in September and November, right? And this blue line was rising. It went to the top, to the very top in about December or January 2025. And then we started tumbling down, okay? And what happens to the blue line? The blue line also goes down. So this is a purely simple cycle indicator that everybody can use and understand. Look, now, if you think, okay, you just found an indicator and you basically comparing it with the current situation, I want to show that in the past, the exact same thing happened. Here, in the beginning of 2024, we have a bull run, we have a bullish period, and the blue line goes up. What happens next? The blue line starts to fall down right here, somewhere in the summer 2024, and the price also starts moving down. The only thing that we don't know is like how much the price is going to retrace. However, when the blue indicator goes below this red line, we start buying, we start accumulating. Why? Because every single time that happens, the Bitcoin jumps in price. It goes up. Now, let's go to the past and see that it happened also multiple times in the past. Right here, again, we have a blue line in September 2023. And we have what? Accumulation period. The last time it happened, the previous time it happened, in the Bitcoin lows. Look, here we barely touched that red line. And here we form the total bottom. And in reality, if you follow this, you don't really care if we're in a bull or a bear market. Why? Because look at the bear market of 2021, 2022. The exact same thing happened. We went below the blue line and we retraced to the upside. However, the retrace was, of course, very, very small because we were in the bear market. But we had a retrace. Now, if you actually zoom in, it was not that small. Here we have about 17.5K. And at the very top, we had like 26K. So it's more than 30%, which is actually a good gain in the bear market. Now, previously, it happened exactly the same situation. So I can show you so many situations, guys. Let me jump back into the camera. And guys, the thing is that market moves in cycles, okay? And people find narratives that they attach to these cycles, and that's how they explain the price action. However, the narratives have nothing to do with how the market price runs. Look, everybody was happy about Trump in November 2024 when he got elected, right? The market pumped and, well, we resulted in a big profit. And now, everybody's saying, hey, Trump is the bad guy, and that's why prices are falling. So whatever happens in the market, people will always find the reason, and people will always find the next narrative. And now there is no narrative, basically, and most of the YouTubers and most of the traders, they are lost. However, simply follow the blue line. Now, you're asking me probably, hey, honest, how do you get this blue line displayed in the chart? What do I have to click to get this blue line? Now, you have to do one thing. Let me just go back from the chart to my YouTube channel, and in my YouTube channel, under every single video, you will find 3 links, and I want you to click every single link. So the second link right here, which says which coins to buy, leads you to the coinchart.fun website. Let's open this website all together, and here you're gonna find all the coins and their cycles. So very simple to understand. Now I agree that it's not the best design and it has to be improved and etc. But basically, at the top of the list, you find coins like Kava, okay? And their risk level is very high. Why? Because their cycle hasn't finished yet. They're still very high in the cycle, so it's not worth buying these kind of tokens. And if you go down, you see coins like, I don't even know them to be honest, like FET or XTZ, which are at the bottom of the cycle. And it's not only the price action, it's that blue indicator, basically that shows where are we in the cycle. It's adapted to every single coin. So for example, this coin is already not a bad opportunity to accumulate. However, if you want to know the exact time when to buy every single coin, you have to buy the premium subscription right here, $49 a month. You will get access to that specific indicator and a couple of more, and you will be able to see the exact entry points yourself without basically relying on these beautiful or not so beautiful bubbles. Now that's the first link. The second link, whenever you are done choosing coins and getting the indicator, I want you to trade on the BTCC platform. That's where I trade. And basically there is a very simple reason. I trade here because I get 10% deposit bonus, and that's what I want. I want to put $10,000 and I want to get $1,000 for free. Now these crypto exchanges, they're so competitive. They will do anything just to get new users. So BTCC is giving 10% bonus, and we have to simply use it. It's a free money that you can use to trade. You can also deposit $500 and then you get $50 for free. It's free money. And the best thing is that you get lower trading fees, and you can access this website from anywhere in the world, whether in the US, in Russia, Asia, somewhere in Africa. You can access this website from everywhere, and they have a bunch of tokens. I love it because it has more than 300 tokens for futures and has a bunch of tokens for spot. And I love trading spot as well. So, getting back to the camera, guys, some finishing thoughts. Well, you know, one of those situations when you go to barber shop and you tell him how you want to get your haircut, and he does the exact opposite of what you wanted. So this happened to me today. But nevertheless, I had about 1 hour time to analyze the charts, to check YouTube videos just to see, okay, what people are talking about, and to find this amazing indicator and to create this video for you. So guys, check the indicator. Don't stress. Within a couple of weeks, we are going to pump. There is no bear market. Wait. You don't know one simple fact. I forgot to tell something. I was prepared to say it, but I just remember it now at the end of the video. Very important. How can we be in a bear market if the prices are already low? Look at your favorite altcoins. They're already down like 60-70%. Like some of the altcoins that I bought and I hold it from December, they're down by a lot, or they even did a full roundabout, and they came to the exact same price which I bought them for in October or November. Bitcoin went to like 75, 76K. Like there is no place to drop further. A bear market usually takes about 1 year, right? So if we are now so close to the previous all-time high top, which was about 69K, right? There is basically no place to drop further. We cannot spend 1 year dropping because there is nowhere to drop. We have to go up in price, and this is what's going to happen. And everybody who's saying that we're in a bear market, we're in a recession, we have to sell our coins, you are selling to the smart investors like me, somebody who is actually following cycles and who understands cycles. I want you to become that smart investor together with me. So don't stress and buy coins, start accumulating. See you in the next one.